a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Ethereum developers set May 7th as the target date for the long-awaited Pectra upgrade, beginning the countdown for the blockchain's biggest changes since March 2024. The decision to schedule Pectra was made during a call between Ethereum's co-developers just over a week after the upgrade went live on the Hudi testnet without any hiccups. WisdomTree is expanding its institutional investment platform. WisdomTree connects beyond Ethereum to Arbitrum, Avalanche, Base, and Optimism. The platform now offers 13 tokenized funds across various investment strategies such as money market, equity index, and fixed income, all registered with the SEC. Asset tokenization has the potential to become a trillion-dollar market as traditional financial firms increasingly place financial instruments on blockchain rails for operational gains. Itaú Unibanco, Brazil's largest bank by assets, is exploring whether to issue its own stablecoin as regulatory discussions evolve and U.S. financial institutions slowly move into the sector. The renewed interest in stablecoins come on the heels of a political shift in the U.S., where lawmakers rejected a central bank digital currency in favor of encouraging private stablecoin alternatives to preserve the dollar's dominance. U.S. crypto exchange Coinbase has filed with the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission to launch futures contracts for Ripple's XRP token. The firm added that it anticipates the contract going live on April 21st. According to the certification filing, the XRP futures contract will be a monthly cash-settled and margined contract trading under the symbol XRL. The contract tracks XRP's price and is settled in US dollars. Each contract represents 10,000 XRP, currently worth about $20,000 at $2 per token. Cryptocurrency exchange OKX is facing renewed regulatory scrutiny in Europe after its Malta-based subsidiary DogeCoin Europe was fined 1.1 million euros, that is $1.2 million, by Malta's Financial Intelligence Analysis Unit for violations of anti-money laundering laws. The fine follows multiple AML failures detected in 2023, despite OKX having improved its policies in the last 18 months. OKX had recently received a license under Europe's new MiCA regulations. Additionally, OKX is under investigation by European Union regulators over allegations of laundering $100 million from the Bybit hack, with Bybit CEO Ben Chao claiming OKX's Web3 proxy was involved in the laundering process. Crypto exchange Bybit has partnered with Zodia Custody to enhance security and provide segregated asset shortage for institutional investors. Announced on April 3rd, the partnership allows institutional customers to trade on Bybit while securely holding their assets with Zodia Custody. It also offers off-venue settlement where clients can retain control of their assets without pre-funding exchange accounts, improving security and capital efficiency. Bybit's institutional division aims to provide transparent fees, deep liquidity, and high security, while the collaboration with Zodia Custody addresses asset security concerns by keeping funds separate from the exchange, minimizing exposure to risk. Nonco has launched its foreign exchange on-chain initiative on the Avalanche network, connecting institutional FX liquidity with the growing stablecoin market. The protocol, based on Avalanche's C-chain, allows for efficient global transactions between local currencies and USD-backed stablecoins like USDC, USDT, and AUSD, reducing cost and improving liquidity for institutions. The FX on-chain protocol addresses challenges in non-USD stablecoin markets, including limited liquidity and high conversion rates, by connecting institutional liquidity providers to an on-chain FX system. It offers institutional-grade liquidity, faster settlement time, and expanded market hours compared to traditional FX markets. Ethena has seen a significant drop in value, falling nearly 16% in the last 24 hours to $0.3, with its market cap dropping to $1.62 billion. Despite this, trading volume has surged by 110.4%, reaching $301.81 million, indicating increased activity ahead of an upcoming token unlock. On April 5th at 7 a.m. UTC, 171.88 million ENA tokens worth about $52.98 million will be unlocked, which could further pressure the price. Currently, 7.65 billion ENA is still locked, 5.33 billion ENA is unlocked, and 2.02 billion ENA remains undetermined. This follows an earlier token unlock on April 2nd when 40.63 million ENA tokens worth $12.52 million were released, affecting the price. In Q1 2025, the decentralized finance sector experienced a significant downturn, with total value locked dropping 27% to $156 billion, primarily due to economic instability and the Bybit exploit. Ethereum saw a 37% decline, while Sui suffered the most, dropping 44%. Other major blockchains like Solana, Tron, and Arbitrum also saw substantial losses. However, Bera chain stood out, accumulating $5.17 billion in TVL since its February launch. On the other hand, AI and social applications saw a surge in user engagement. AI protocols experienced a 29% increase in daily unique active wallets, while social apps grew by 10%. NFTs and GameFi, however, struggled, with NFT trading volume falling 25% and the GameFi sector facing setbacks. Overall, while DeFi faces challenges, AI and social apps are gaining momentum, signaling a shift in the Web3 landscape. Cango Incorporation, a publicly traded Chinese company, has revealed plans to divest its $350 million automotive business in order to fully invest in Bitcoin, signaling a growing bullish sentiment towards the cryptocurrency in Asia. This strategic shift marks a major pivot for Cango as it aims to capitalize on the rising value of Bitcoin, which is gaining recognition as a key asset. The decision has sparked widespread attention within the cryptocurrency community, with many describing it as a legendary move. Cango's focus on Bitcoin aligns with a broader trend of companies integrating digital assets into their investment strategies. That's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mirchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.TV. And for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3.io or scan the QR code.